5 seconds to go. Start. The next question that I would like to deal with is the paragraph in the President's address relating to the progress made in our economy, comma, in our agricultural sector, comma, in our industrial sector, comma, in our foreign trade, comma, etc. Stop. Sir, comma, you were pleased to read out to us a very large list of the achievements of the Congress government during the last decade and the important targets which have been achieved during the last 10 years of our planned economy. Stop. You also mentioned the question of increase in food production, comma, increase in the production of agricultural commodities, comma, etc. Stop. Fortunately, comma, sir, comma, here we have in our midst the ex-deputy chairman of the Planning Commission, comma, Shri V.T. Krishnamachari, comma, who has addressed a number of meetings and seminars in New Delhi recently, comma, drawing our attention to the weakness in our agricultural sector. Stop. If the press reports are correct, comma, in one seminar he mentioned that even if all the targets of the third 5-year plan are achieved, comma, still, comma, at the end of the third 5-year plan period, comma, we may be facing a serious situation regarding the supply of agricultural commodities. Stop. He has also expressed the hope that we will be able to exceed the targets which have been fixed for the third 5-year plan. Stop. I do not know whether his expectation of exceeding the targets will be fulfilled or not, comma, but it is quite clear that we have not been able to give sufficient attention to the development of the agricultural sector. Stop. It has also been stated that development of the agricultural sector is one of the most difficult tasks, comma, tasks which have been found difficult both by democratic countries as well as by countries in which total planning is going on. Stop. It is all the more reason, therefore, that we should pay more attention to the agricultural sector so that it may be possible for us to meet our requirements as and when they arise, and the situation which he has foreseen at the end of the third 5-year plan may not materialize. Stop. It is no use merely taking refuge behind some of the figures which have been compiled and narrating the progress which has already been achieved. Stop. We are happy that some progress has been achieved, comma, but we are anxious that more progress should be there, comma, and for that purpose also certain definite steps will be taken. Stop. Para. Another point urged by the mover was that an auditor should be changed every 2 or 3 years. Stop. His main complaint is that an auditor or firm of auditors auditing the accounts of a particular company for a number of years may act in collusion with the firm and may not do the auditing faithfully or correctly, comma, that he may be hand in glove with the company and its directors. Stop. In such cases, comma, where a chartered accountant is found to be guilty of misconduct, comma, there are provisions in the Chartered Accountants Act under which action can be taken against him. Stop. It takes 2 to 3 years for an auditor to understand the working of a company. Stop. All these questions were gone into the joint committee in great detail, and then it was found that no limit could be put. Stop. Though the number of companies an auditor could audit could be limited, comma, the period during which he should be allowed to audit a company was not found to be capable of limitation as feasible, comma, and that was why it was rejected. Stop. Another objection taken by the mover was that all the auditors are in the metropolitan areas. Stop. Necessarily, comma, they should be from the metropolitan areas. Stop. They should know the working of companies. Stop. How can an auditor residing in a small town whose only business is to audit the accounts of small businessmen for sales tax purposes or for the purposes of other commercial taxes be entrusted with the work of auditing a company's accounts? Sign of interrogation. It is a complicated affair, comma, it is not possible. Stop. It is only in metropolitan cities that the auditors could carry on their profession, comma, they get the whole time experience of accounts of the companies. Stop. About costing also, I think the company law board can order an inquiry into the cost of production in a company. Stop. I think all those provisions have been made after elaborate discussion. Stop. Para. Sir, the problems of the company are how to get it and then come to the contractor who used to exploit these poor tribals and take the minor forest produce at very cheap prices and sell it to government or other agencies at a very high price, comma, making a lot of profit. Stop. We have advised the state government that this should be put to an end to, that the cooperatives should purchase these minor forest produce from the tribals, or the state government itself should directly purchase these minor forest produces from the tribals, so that all the benefits can go to the tribals rather than going to the middleman. Stop. Para. Then in the field of marketing policy, comma, there also we are taking steps so that exploitation of the tribals by these money lenders can be stopped. Stop. Nowadays, what happens particularly in Madhya Pradesh, stop, Odisha and Bihar, comma, is that if a money lender gives a few rupees to a tribal, comma, he makes him bonded labor for life. Stop. The tribal people are simple people. They do not know the calculation and other things. Stop. A few hundred rupees are given to them, and for their whole life they have to serve that man because he will say that it is the interest that has been paid and the original still remains. Stop. So he becomes a bonded laborer to the moneylender. To end that exploitation also, laws have been passed, and liquidation of indebtedness is one item of the new economic program. Stop. An alternative system of credit is also being provided, and particularly in the tribal areas we are seeing to it that when they need consumption loans, there also some arrangement should be made so that they have not to go to those very money lenders who will now exploit them with more vigor. Para. A single line of administration has been provided with effective delegation. Stop. Previously, comma, postings in tribal areas were considered as punishment postings. Stop. Whenever any officer was found unfit in urban areas, comma, he used to be posted in the tribal areas. Stop. We have asked the state governments that This should be totally discarded, comma, and only able and honest officers should be posted there. Stop. We have also told them that unless you make it more attractive, comma, efficient officers may not be forthcoming to go and serve in the tribal areas. Stop. But we have appointed some efficient officers and give them incentives in the form of money and facilities so that those who are posted in the tribal areas can live in that area. Stop.